Hey friends! Today I'm making a silly, wiggly rainbow jellyfish craft you can follow along with at home. It's colourful, it's squishy looking, and it's super easy for little hands. Are you ready? Let's craft. First, let's gather our supplies. I need one paper plate, some crayons or washable markers, a glue stick, safety scissors, strips of colourful paper or ribbons. These will be our wiggly tentacles. And googly eyes if you have them. If not, we can draw eyes. Grown-up helpers, thank you for sticking with us. Step 1. Make the jellyfish body. I'm going to fold my paper plate in half, like a big taco. Press, press, press. Great. Now I'll open it and cut along the fold to make 2 half circles. I only need 1 half for 1 jellyfish. Snip, snip. Careful with those safety scissors. Step 2. Add happy colors. I'm coloring the round side of my half plate. I might pick sky blue or rainbow stripes. You can scribble, draw swirls, or add spots. I'm making big friendly cheeks and a smile. Smile with me. Step 3. Give it eyes. I'll glue on 2 googly eyes. Boop, boop. No googly eyes? No problem. I'll draw 2 big circles and little dots inside. Hello, jellyfish. Step 4. Tentacle time. I've got 8 strips of paper. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and maybe sparkly ones. If the strips are long, I'll ask my helper to trim them a little. Now I'm curling some by sliding a crayon along the strip. Whee! They bounce. You can also crinkle them like accordion folds. Fold forward, fold back, fold forward. Step 5. Glue them on. Flip your half plate over so the back is facing up. I'll put a line of glue along the flat edge. Now I'll stick the strips all along like a rainbow beard. Press, press, press. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Flip it back. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Bonus step. Make it a hanger. I'll ask my helper to poke a tiny hole at the top and tie a loop of string. Now my jellyfish can swim on the wall or dance in the window. Let's play a quick game. Can you make a sleepy jellyfish? I'll draw cozy eyelids and a tiny yawn. How about a surprise jellyfish? Big round mouth. Whoa. And a silly one with a tongue. Tooey. You can make a whole jellyfish family. Craft check. Does it have a colorful body? Wiggly tentacles? A big friendly face? Then you did it. High five, air high five, smack. If your fingers are sticky, let's do a cleanup dance. Put caps on markers. Close the glue. Snip snap. Scissors go back to their safe spot. Trash in the bin. Boop. All clean and shiny. I loved crafting with you today. If you make a jellyfish, show it to someone you love and make them smile. And hey, if you want more bright, happy crafts, hit subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tap that button so you don't miss the next fun project. Bye friends, wiggle wiggle, see you next time.